We are forming 37 plates for a silo repair project. They are 1/4 inch thick A36, ranging from 30 inches to 42 inch arc length and 60 inch to 96 inch plate length. We are forming them to 210 inch radius, and we chose to use our press brake so that we could get close to the edges without any flat spots. We chose our bullnose punch, which is a 2.5 inch radius and a 12 inch bottom adjustable die, because we wanted smooth transitions from bend to bend. It was a tight timeline, so we sourced the material from O'Neill already cut to size, so all we had to do was form. We loaded it on the truck and delivered it to the customer.